Hello, everyone in classes 1C and class 1D. For the eTwinning project, I think there's been a confusion of how you should be doing this. So first of all, I'd like you to try and use some of the effects if you like, and something like I'm using now, this little frame around here if you like. But what you need to do is when you begin the video, you should begin by saying, hello, my name is, for example, Mary. I'm in class 1C here at the Lichao, and I belong to group 6, for example. And we've decided to answer video number 5. So I'm answering the question that was asked about the school times. So our school opens or starts at 8:09 a.m. in the morning and finishes at just before our Italian lunchtime, which is about 1:15 p.m. or 1:15. Okay, and if you're only answering one question, that would be okay. So, and then you may want to say something like, thank you to all the students in the Netherlands for sharing their videos. We are very happy to participate in the eTwinning project with our school. I look forward to seeing you all soon. Okay? So something like that. That's what I would like to see, rather than just, hello, my name is, I go to school at Liceo Luti, and, I'm answering the question and that's it, and then finish. Okay? Be a little bit more animated. Don't make it so dull. Add some fun and zest to it. Okay? Is that clear? I hope it is. If it isn't, leave messages under this video and let me know. Okay. Bye-bye. See you soon.